Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं रेन मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर से exercise 42. Rewrite the following sentences so that the verbs will be in the active void. He was praised by his father. His father praised him. The first railway was built by George Stephenson. George Stephenson built the first railway. The horse was frightened by the noise. The noise frightened horse. Not a word was spoken by Latif. अब इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, Latif did not the word. और इसी तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, Latif spoke not a word. The teacher was pleased with the boy's work. The boy's work pleased the teacher. He was taken to the hospital by his friends. His friends took him to the hospital. The town was destroyed by an earthquake. Earthquake destroyed the town. The road was lined with people. People lined the road. The president was welcomed by the people. The people welcomed the president. Shakuntala was written by Kalidas. Kalidas wrote Shakuntala. The building was damaged by the fire. The fire damaged the building. I was struck by his singular appearance. His singular appearance struck me. Those cars were built by robots. Robots built those cars. The streets were thronged with spectators. Spectators thronged the streets. The trees were blown down by the wind. The wind blew down the trees. We shall be blamed by everyone. Everyone will blame us. The child was knocked down by a car. A car knocked down the child. Alice was not much surprised at this. This did not much surprise Alice. He will be greatly surprised if he is chosen. It will greatly surprise him if they choose him. तो ये थी एक्सरसाइज 42. ते हैं एक्सरसाइज 43 में. तब तक के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें ASA एजुकेशन.